Yay, Christmas!
Yay.
Yay, Mama in her
I got a sweater.
pajamas. Little sweater.
This job.
Yeah, nice. And an
Finally,
apron.
after all these years. Hey, this is exciting. Don't yawn.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, let's give Abby a gift.
Alright, let's give Abby a gift.
Here.
What's this?
This is from Love to Abby on her first Christmas.
First
From
Christmas.
Nana and Papa.
What do you do with that? There, that's the right idea. Well, get it. That's the right idea. Pull a little harder.
Okay.
Need a little help with the bow? Those bows are tough.
Something tells me you're just gonna want the bow though.
Mmm. What's that?
Hey, Abby.
You like that?
Hey, what's this? Hey. I'm gonna take this. What is this?
Grab that and rip it.
Bless you. Hey, Abby.
Oh. Oh, what is this? There you go.
Yay!
There you go.
There
Good
you
job.
go. Okay. Tape is tricky, so I'll do this part. What is it? What is it? Suspense is killing you.
It's from Nana and Papa. What did Nana and Papa get you? What did Nana and Papa get you? You have any idea? Oh, what is it?
Oh, Abby.
Look at that. Yeah. Look.
A little jean jacket.
It's a sweet little denim jacket to wear with your jeans.
Oh, pairs of tights.
Ooh.
Some tights. Got you some tights. Look, a little turtleneck.
Oh, nice.
A little sleeper for our little sleeper.
Oh, that's
Look at this little
awesome.
polka dots. Sweet.
That is sweet.
What is this?
It's a little shirt, a
It's a
pink
little
shirt.
Little penis.
Yay! And Abby loves the tights.
And a little apple for a little
Oh, a
bitty girl.
little apple shirt. That's super sweet.
Yay!
Abby, you want to say thanks, Nana and Papa?
Here.
Thanks, Nana and Papa.
Here you go.
Yay! Say, I am a happy baby. Merry Christmas, Nana and Papa.
Hey, Abby.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for sending me my very first Christmas gift I got to open. It was a bundle of fun. And I love these tights.